Hi guys, welcome to Camera Rig Friday. Today, camera Jib Crane Rig. Very quick and dirty camera trick. You are going to love it. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Make yourself comfortable as we are starting now. Happy days! As you can see, we are moving to Blender 2.83 as it is out now. Lots of exciting improvements in this version, but we're not going to talk about it today. Click on the camera, Alt R and Alt G to zero it out. Shift A and add empty. Shift D and duplicate it. Move the duplicated empty back a bit. Parent the camera to the first empty. And then parent the first empty to the second empty. Now when you rotate the back empty, it rotates whole thing. Camera needs to stay level, so let's make that happen. Select the front empty. Go to the X rotation channel, right click and add driver. As an object, choose the back empty. In the expression, type in var space times -1. In the type line, set up X rotation. Now when you rotate back empty in the X-axis, camera stays level. We need to do the same in the Z rotation. Z rotation, right click and choose Add Driver. Select our back empty as an object. Expression var times -1. And type Z rotation. Okay, it works. Let's keyframe it. Mark back empty and rotate it like that. Press I and rotation. Now move to frame 300 and rotate it all the way to the other side. Then insert rotation keyframe again. And that is what we were aiming for. Thanks guys for watching, I hope you have enjoyed. As always, please support me with your likes and comments. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and smash the bell for notifications. I really appreciate your support. See you next week guys, take care.